We have some managements waiting by on second quarter numbers, which are also coming through. Insecticides India is the company we're talking about for now. It's posted second quarter numbers, which are a little weak as compared to expectations on account of uneven rainfall, as well as, of course, the impact of COVID-19. The revenues for Insecticides India came in at 456 crores compared to 503 crores. This is year-on-year comparison. EBITDA was 58 crores as compared to 72 crores in the same quarter last year. Let's go across to Mr. Rajesh Aggarwal, Managing Director of the company, who's going to tell us what really has happened. Mr. Aggarwal, thanks very much for your time. If one compares what we've seen in terms of results at other companies like UPL, Coromandel, Dhanuka, etc., there has been, there's been decent growth all across. Could you talk to us what happened at insecticides in the quarter?
The quarter was quite decent actually, and I believe that the boys have performed reasonably good, because this was a tough time actually where the boys could not reach the customer. It is not only the farmer but even the dealer and distributor contact was quite limited during this period, and our focus was, since the times are tough, we did not want to go fast. So it was very difficult to move the new generation molecules with the lack of contact. And at the same time, actually, whatever we had in stock, we were moving it actually. So the rains were fluctuating in various parts of the country. So there was some impact from there. But we had a strategy. The strategy was to work on cash. We were not giving huge credit limits to the people, because since last year, second half, we had come to this, and when the COVID came in, our policy is more cash and carry now. So we are trying to control the debts into the market, or to control the credit into the market, and move on more cash and carry. And we have been quite successful in doing that actually. Though apparently our results are looking a little weaker compared to last year. But I believe that in such difficult times, we have collected more than 128 crores more, and we have reduced our debts. We are totally debt-free now, and the reduction in last 6 months is more than 150 crores in debts basically. So that way I believe that we are doing good. And in this particular period, I believe this is the focus of working on manufacturing. So we are trying to work on the manufacturing base, and we are preparing ourselves that once the epidemic is out and the vaccine is there, then we'll come back to the market in more vigorous way with our new molecules, new products, for which we are about to bag the registrations, because registration is one part. But setting up the technical plants for synthesis of these molecules, and also to set up the formulation facilities for this plant, is another challenge. So we are working on that very aggressively, and I am very, very confident that we will come out very strongly into the market with good growth numbers.
Rajesh, if you could tell us what are the current debtor days, what are the outstanding receivables, and also what is the outlook looking for the second half of the year? Can the second half be better than the first half?
Our business is a cyclic business, so I'll reply the last question first. So the second half cannot beat the first half, but yes, the performance will be positive. You will see the better profit margins coming in the second half, because last year they had declined in the second half. So this year I believe that they will show the improvement, and overall this year will be positive both in terms of the top line as well as the bottom line in comparison to last year. This is the confidence. And at the same time, as you asked about the debtor days we have reduced by a reasonable number actually. They have come down to around 121 approximately from 180. So we have reduced it by almost 60 days actually, and at the same time the absolute numbers also have come down drastically. I don't have it handy in front of me, but yes, we have reduced that by almost 128 crores in this first half of the year.
Okay, thanks very much, Mr. Aggarwal. Appreciate you joining us with quick inputs on the numbers. Appreciate your time as always, and good luck as you go into the second half of the year. The market is at about 12,600. We are up